Can you mark an Instagram DM as unread? Yes and no. I mean, technically yes, because after watching this video, you'll be able to do it. But no for some people, because they didn't know the trick that you are about to see. And there's a special gift that I'll give you if you stick until the end of this video. Did you just hear a gift? That actually reminds me that there's also a gift in the description down below, your free copy of my 0 to 10k followers Instagram guide. Okay, so here's how you do it. As you can see, I'm on my Instagram right here, and if I just click my DMs, I can just mark stuff as unread in a super simple way, right? But some people don't have this option. Let me explain why. Maybe you don't have this option, that's why you actually wanted to see this video. There's different types of Instagram accounts. There's actually 3 types: personal Instagram account, a business Instagram account, and creator Instagram account. There's a lot of reasons why you would choose a personal or a business or a creator account, a lot of pros and cons, a lot of things you should consider. I can have some videos in the cards above that you can watch after watching this video to make a conscious decision regarding that. But you just do it by just clicking the 3 dots, settings, going below, clicking on account, and you have the switch to personal, switch to business account. If you're a creator account, if you're actually a personal account that cannot unread messages, you have a creator and a business account right here. You can choose both, they're pretty much the same, and you can use the function. But there is a trick to it. You might not want the other person to see that you read the message, but making the message unread on your side of Instagram will not remove the seen message, so the person will see that you saw the message. So you better reply to your mom.
Mom! 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 Mommy! Mama! Mama! Mama!
What?
Hi.
So here's the gift, the shoutout rules. If you want to be shouted out in one of the next episodes and on my Instagram, just comment your Instagram username below and what your Instagram is about. Who's the shoutout winner on this episode? We have Yash Dory, who says, my Instagram is Yash Dorley, L-E. And then we have Jojo Simi, who says, I was questioning this, but it works like a charm. Holy, thank you so much, dude. It's actually the Instagram music isn't available in your region, and I just wanted to shout him out because he says something nice. It makes a difference. There's so many little people. There's not a lot of people that say nice things. And if you say something nice, I'll shout it out on my Instagram. I promise. It's really nice. Remember that a video day keeps the doctor away, and by the end of this video, check one of these videos out. I'm not asking you to do it. You gotta do it now.